What's up, guys? How's it going? MikeTheTech here, and we've got some more unboxings for you. This time we have a cordless glue gun from LIFEGOO. Power in your hands. Check this out. But before we get started, I got a huge shout out to Geeks Outfit. I've got my "What Doesn't Kill You Gives You XP" t-shirt here. You can get lots of really cool stuff, as well as a discount code in the description below. So we're jumping right into the unboxing. You might be like, why are you getting a glue gun? Well, because glue guns are important in tech and in geekery, which I'll explain in a moment. So the cool thing about this glue gun is it has a stand, and I've actually seen this one before, so I know what I'm getting. And we do have the instruction manual here with all the safety precautions and how to use it. And then we have the actual glue gun itself. We've got the hot pink version here. Doesn't really matter what color it is, but it's kind of cool. And it has a very, very comfortable trigger. Now, why might I need a glue gun? Well, because some of you may know I'm a bit of a geek and I've done some cosplay and stuff. Please don't judge my awful cosplay stuff here. Basically, this has an opening and you can put a phone in there so that it looks like a Pip-Boy, and it's got all these knobs and it's got LEDs and all this stuff. But I used hot glue to set up this small part of my costume. The rest of the costume is all over the place. But yeah, so this is definitely useful in the tech and geekery age. And the cool thing I like about this is the magnetic stand. The hardest thing about using one of these is there's always a issue with, like, the tip is super hot, which if you take a look at this, it actually has a rounded corner around it made of rubber, so that this part doesn't get as hot. It's just the very tip that gets hot. And then we've got a magnetic stand. So this is the cool part. You can actually just stand it up magnetically, so you don't have to worry about this part touching your table or other electronics or other parts. This has a magnetic stand so that it just stands up on its own and it's not going to burn anything. That is super cool. And when you plug it in, there's an on and off switch here, so you can actually turn it on and off very easily, so you know when it's hot and when it's not. A lot of the cheaper hot glue guns, when you plug them in, they just start going, kind of like soldering irons. So having an on and off switch is actually a pretty good feature for a glue gun. Now, there is one error. It does say that it comes with 30 pieces glue sticks, but I have like 1,000 glue sticks in that little back container, so no worries on that. As for the device itself, I'm excited to try it out on my next crafts project, and thank you so much, LIFEGOO, for sending this out. Hope you have a good one. Peace.
Administrative elevator command. Build it up or break it down in that virtual lab. From conversations to games to interviews with a broader view. He keeps it fresh, always brings something new. It's MikeTheTech, 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 the architect, MikeTheTech, MikeTheTech, yeah, MikeTheTech, the architect.